fabulous people, I am Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be another unboxing. So I am going to send myself to Shopaholics Rehab, but not just yet. We're going to get to the good stuff first, right? Because if you notice, I got some unboxings that I've been doing. But I mean, it's all good, and I've gotten some fabulous stuff. So today's unboxing is gonna be the Fendi F is Fendi hoop earrings. If you recall, recently just got these Louis Vuitton hoop earrings, which I love. But because I have posted a video and because I've mentioned it on social media, what does it start doing? Sending you similar items. So I keep seeing the F is Fendi hoop earrings, and I was like, well, I like those too. And I don't have any Fendi bags, but there's nothing wrong with going ahead and starting my Fendi collection with some hoop earrings, because if y'all know me, y'all know I love a mean hoop. Before I started rocking these, I was always wearing the Tory Burch Miller hoops. So hoops for days. I love me a good pair of hoops, and I don't mind spending a little bit of money on costume jewelry as long as it's cute. But before we jump into the video, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, share this video with your family, friends, your cousins, heck, send it to your enemies. We don't care. We want that engagement up, right? And while you're at it, go ahead and go over to Instagram and follow me. I am Dyetta there. There you will get real-time updates of all of my outfits, my trips, all of the fabulous things that we talk about here on this channel. You'll be able to get it in real time. Also, don't forget, I upload new content every Wednesday and Sunday for your viewing pleasure. What are we trying to say, Donyetta? For your viewing pleasure. So when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and you will never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. So the funny thing is I've actually never seen these earrings in person. So just like with the Louis hoops, I had never seen them in person. I just saw them on social media and I knew that I loved them. I was actually at Phipps Plaza here in Atlanta about 5 days ago, and I went into the Fendi store. I wanted to see the earrings in person, but they were sold out. They didn't have any in the store. So I get back home, you know me, I'm always on the internet shopping, and I see that they have them in stock on the website, and I was like, okay. So I ordered them. Here we are. So I hope that I love them as much as I love these, because I'm good for buying something that I've never seen in person. So let's get right to it, all right? All right. I'm going to just rip this off the box, open it without showing y'all my address, because people is creepy. Can we all agree that this is a huge box for a pair of earrings? We need to be a little bit more environmental conscious, Fendi. Hold on. So on top was an envelope. But what I want to show y'all. Let's see if it's picking up. There we go. Y'all. I'm already excited. So let me see. Oh, it's just a bag. They put a whole bag in the box. Isn't this cute? I hope the color's picking up for you guys. Isn't this cute? And then here's the box that the earrings are in. And this is a security tag. It says, we invite you to try this item on without removing the identification tag and disposable seal. Items without the tag and seal will not be accepted in case of return. So don't take this off. All right, y'all ready? It's a magnet box. You guys see that? It has Fendi embossed on the top. I hadn't even taken them out yet, and I'm grinning like a Cheshire cat. So if you are familiar with the F is Fendi earrings, one is gold colored. So this is the gold colored. And then one is like palladium, I believe that's how you say it, which is silver colored. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my girl, Louise, and I'm gonna try on my F is Fendi hoops. We can go ahead and do a comparison now. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to, let me see it, but the F is Fendi hoops are slightly bigger than the Louise hoops. So the clasp is the same. This feels a lot less sturdier than the Louise hoop clasp. And I don't think it matters. Like with the Louise hoops, there is an F in one. These don't feel sturdy at all. The clasp on it, I mean. I gotta try these things on with these dang tags. But if I take them off and I don't like them, y'all, I'm really nervous about how gentle this clasp is. Y'all, this clasp seems really, really light. And by really, I mean really, really, really. Like the Louis Vuitton Louise hoops, like the clasp is strong. It's like a security clasp. This, not at all. So that's my first observation. That's a negative one, is the clasp on these are not very seemingly strong. They look good. I like them. They don't feel heavy. They feel to me about the same weight. Well, I mean, this one's heavy because, look. So they feel about the same weight as the Louise hoop earrings. So I could wear these all day without having any issues. I don't feel like it's pulling. Well, now my ear is red because I done put the earring in and out so many times to test the strength of the clasp. But put this back in for sure. I like them. I think they're cute. I think they're fun. I like the fact that one is silver and one is gold. I think that adds a little bit of like more street edge, like the Louise hoops, even though they give me like 90s Mary J. Blige, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Living Single vibes. They're also like a very classic look, where I think this is a little bit more street, a little more edgy, like an edge to play on a classic hoop. So yeah. But y'all know as soon as I get off, you know what? I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to Google and see if other people have talked about this clasp. So I don't see where nobody said anything online. I typed in all the keywords, weak. Yeah, so that one was undone. And I didn't even really do anything to it. Yeah. No, absolutely not. Like literally all I have to do is I'm gonna hold it and just flick up with my fingernail and it comes open. No, I'm not losing. These retail for $550 right now. No, ma'am. That one's a little sturdier. No, this one, I'm not making this up. That's such a weak. I'm gonna take it out my ear and show y'all. Okay. I hope that y'all can see that. I'll put it right in front of my face. Do y'all see that? Let me see it. One. See? I wasn't even ready. 1, 2, 3. See? Put it back in there. Like, is there a trick I'm missing? No. Ready? I'm gonna just pop it up. 1, 2, 3. See? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, no, sir. No cat, no dog. Whereas with these Louise hoop, it took a little bit more oomph to it. Let's see if I can just, yeah. With the Louise hoops, I can't. With these Fendi hoops, I think not. I think not. No. So that's all the way in. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No way, no how. As a matter of fact, hold on. I'll be back. Even my Tory Burch. Let's see. Yeah. Even my Tory Burch, I can't just flick it up. No. I don't know if these are faulty. As much as I pay for these, nah. Yeah, it's a no for me, dog. Let's see if the gold one is so. Yeah, no. I mean, they're cute, but I don't have time to be out and lose a $550 hoop. Yeah, it's a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. I really wanted to love them. I mean, they look cute. Another thing I'm disappointed about is that it does not come with a like jewelry dust bag. I would always have to keep it in this, and who's to say that I want to keep this box like anywhere? Like I keep my boxes for like decorative purposes, but yeah, I absolutely am not gonna be out and about and nuck if you buck, come on, and lose a $550 hoop earring. No. I'm sorry. Yep. So I just put them back and I will be returning these. I might even actually call Fendi customer service and ask, is the clasp on these earrings supposed to be flimsy? I want to say that I don't believe it's just like a defect because it's both of them. Yes, the silver one is a lot more flimsy than the gold colored. Yeah. But both earrings have a faulty clasp? No. That's very disappointing. Wah, wah. I really wanted them to work. Again, I'll keep y'all updated. There might be a part 2 if I call customer service and we can get Jesus on the main line and tell him what we want. But as of now, they are absolutely going back. And I keep testing it. No. Y'all. No. Well, I'm sorry that this is not in on a brighter note. This is more disappointing than a haul fail. This is more disappointing than getting on No, it's not. I was going to say getting on Ticketmaster and you got the pre-sale code, but Beyonce tickets are already sold out. No, it's not. It's not. But this is very disappointing. However, if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you. If you're a new viewer, I hope that you enjoyed your time here. If you're a return viewer, I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you will never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am Dyetta there as well. And I also have a blog, dyetta.com, where it is the written version of all things fabulous that I have been talking about, Okay, So I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, stay fabulous.